I think one of you can start.
Let me start it off. Just a short story. So then you guys can chip on. So as we're talking about trading plan, same thing you need for every single thing. What comes first? You normally have a dream, and then you have a plan to achieve that dream or a goal. Yeah. So in terms of just relating the trading plan to real life plan, I was driving today when I was coming over here. So there's this guy who was lying down on the floor. I was in jam, so I wasn't moving. Then this guy's lying down on the floor. Then he just woke up, like literally he just woke up, sat, and he started looking around. Then the funny thing he did, he looked at his shoes. He doesn't have shoes. I think his shoes were stolen. So I believe he was drunk.
His shoes are Martin.
He doesn't have shoes, like just socks. He was lying on the road like flat, and it's Yaya Center Apple. So there are no many cars passing. There are many cars passing. So the guy just woke up, looked around, looked at his shoes, doesn't have a shoe. And I thought to this guy, just as we're coming to talk about, I don't think this, not that I'm judging him any wrongly, but I don't believe such a person has a plan in life. Like
of course
he may have a plan in life, but this guy, it's what time is it? I've gotten here at like 10:30. I passed him like maybe 10:20. Literally, he's waking up drunk
on a weekday.
To take alcohol.
Well,
okay,
he might have
a good plan in life, of course.
Yeah, he doesn't have a good plan
in life.
But he has a plan.
So I was thinking to myself, I'm here trying to build myself in trading. I'm trying to understand how business works. I'm trying to build myself, and I'm working with Ken and Taras here, trying to have a plan of how we're going to achieve these goals. Well, someone else is over here on the streets, and yes, we're all living different lives, but man, you need a plan. So with that said, trading plan, what do I think, what do I believe we need in a trading plan? So I think the first and foremost thing in the trading plan, what I believe, we're basically talking about what entails in a trading plan.
Yeah, and I think even before you get there, okay, maybe I'll cut you short, because personally for me, I have a career plan and a trading plan, but they are very intertwined. Yeah. So basically, my career plan is all about trading, but now, of course, it's not so detailed. Like this is where I'll be in 10 years. But at least I have I have plans of yes, if my trading works, this is how I'll channel my money into other investments. This is where I want to put my money at. This is who I want to be in 35 years. Okay, when I'm 35, when I'm 45. So basically, I think it's always important to have that long-term vision first. Okay,
so
like plan for
dream,
plan for that long-term goal. Okay, like I just don't want to get how do I put it? Like out of the radar.
Yeah.
Like success just came to you, now you don't know how to handle that success.
Yeah.
So you should also have because trading basically you're looking for success here.
Yeah.
And not big success. So when it comes, you should have a plan for how you'll handle it. And I think that's where most people actually fail in trading.
And they go wrong.
You get like they were good traders after 10 years, but they fall. Maybe they fell somewhere. So for me, I created mine back in 2019. The career plan basically. So it shows where I want to channel my money into, which other investments interest me, like agriculture, so such stuff. So basically, I have that whole long term vision. Then now I have my trading plan basically for how I'll take trades, how I'll handle myself, which trades I'll take, and all that. So can continue from there.
What avenues in career plan do you want to venture apart from agriculture?
For me, I want to venture in agriculture. I want to also invest in people. So basically, sort of an angel investor or a venture capital. So I want to invest in ideas. I believe there is so much value in ideas that if you just put some fuel of capital in it, you'll reap more percentages out of that. I also want to. Okay, this I won't say, but it's personal.
I think I have an idea. Okay,
I won't say my other one. It's very personal. So
no
others are personal. Yeah.
So how does that now come into your trading plan? How does that now? You said the internet.
Yeah, because one, I can't it's what keeps me going. Usually trading is hard. It's so easy. 1 week you were so disappointed in your trading, you don't have the energy to go on. But the moment I want my trading to do this for me. It's only my trading. I'm only skilled at trading, nothing else, literally. So my skill has to give me something else. So the long-term vision keeps me at least dedicated to my trading and staying disciplined. So it's important to have that long-term vision. Then now channel your trading to work for that long-term vision. Okay.
And I agree with Taras, because Taras is saying the same thing I was about to say. And it's what I was telling you guys the other time. When I have my students, take them to the first class, and we're talking about goals, dreams, what do you want to achieve. Many of them have goals and dreams. Most of them don't have what?
Plan.
Exactly. So they don't have a plan. So they don't know how they're going to achieve this goal they want in life. And it's normal. Many people don't know they need to have a plan. Most people are just told dream big. They're not told you actually have to work towards it. So like Tara was saying, also may have different goals, life goals. I have trading goals, relationship goals, all that. So all these things, if you have a certain goal, you should have a plan of how you're going to achieve them, because if you achieve your goal, you're not going to be the same person you are today. So you need to have plan how you're going to make those steps to get there. For example, if you want to become financially free, like part of my life goals, like you remember Ken when we were talking about what we learned from Tony Robbins, the 5, what are they called,
steps to financial independence.
The one is vitality, freedom, what is it called, financial freedom, absolute financial freedom. There are a couple, so there are 5 of them. So my goal is now to be able to do those step by step, and first of all is going to sort the main things first: rent, household, food, shelter, security. Those are stuff. Those are the basic things you need to sort in life. So what's the plan towards that? Once you sort a plan towards that, now this is in terms of life goals. Once you sort that security, normal stuff, now the stress of everyday thinking you're going to be chased out of the house. So personally, like I have a life goal for by the time I'm 30 I want to own a house. Okay. I want to own a house, like I have a house, so that I'm not thinking about rent about any of those things anymore, so that when I'm working at Financial Hub, when we're trading, when we're doing that, I'm not pushing to make money each and every month so that I can pay these rent. Bills. Okay. So I want that sorted. So now how does that intertwine with my life, with my trading plan? So my trading plan is how much. So what is the life goal? House maybe 20 million, let's say, just an example. I want to achieve this through forex, through investing, through stocks, cryptocurrencies. So what's the plan? So a chunk of my money is going to go to cryptocurrency, a chunk of my money is going to go into forex trading, a chunk of my money is going to investing, maybe extra stocks and all that. And now the Financial Hub part, business and all that. So all this intertwined in the long term can bring a lot of capital for me to achieve that goal. Then I move forward. Okay. So if I need 20 million, what do I need right now? So if you think about it, let's say you want 20 million and you have $1,000 right now, or even $10,000, you're not guaranteed in the next 5 years you're going to make that into 20 million or more. Because I'm not going to use all my money. Let's say I've reached 20 million. I won't use all my 20 million to buy a house. Of course, I'm not that silly. So I need like 100 million in order to buy a 20 million house. Okay. So if I have a $10,000 account, what do I need to do? Of course, if I want to grow this, I need to invest. I need to find more funding to trade, because I'm not going to triple. I'm not going to 100x my money to 100 million. So what are there? What we keep saying, the prop firms, the many places you can find money. You can invest in crypto so that you can reap some money long term along the way. So my plan, my life and my trading is intertwined so that I can achieve a certain goal. Because I believe for me, my financial side of trading and investing is to give me financial freedom and financial boost so that I can achieve my relationship goals, my life goals, all that. So all that is inside my plan. So that was my first point, just to echo what Taras was saying. And part that's not really the nitty-gritty of the trading plan, but just an overview of how life and trading are intertwined. What do you think, Ken?
So I think you guys have talked about the other side of the plan. I also have mine, but I won't go into the details of that because you've said the most important things. I think I'll just jump into the trading plan. And I think one of the first things on a trading plan, because I have that section on my psychology course. So when you come for the psychology course, there's a whole chapter where we go about creating a trading plan. The first thing I tell people is you need to have a vision. So clearly you guys have laid out a vision. Now the vision is the big picture of what you want to do with your trading. So how much money do you need? How much money do you want to extract out of markets? How long will it take you to extract that amount of cash? And what's your plan after you extract that amount of cash, like Clive was saying, which is also very important. Because I think also subconsciously many people sabotage themselves and they get success because they hadn't planned for the success. True. So once you start making money and you don't know what to do with the money, there's a very high chance that money can easily lead you.
That's the same as in markets. Making money is hard, but giving back your money to markets is so easy. If you don't stay disciplined, it's so easy for you to lose money back.
Having that perspective of what you want to do with the money is very important, like you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, so there's the vision. But I think the most important thing, again, when you have the vision, is to break it down into tangible goals. So
True.
you guys have the vision, but you need, because like I like what Peterson says. He says the world is so random. You can't have a crystal clear plan on where you'll be in 10 years, but you can have a crystal clear plan on where you'll be in 6 months, 2 years, 3 years.
True.
Because it's shorter to project where you're going in 2 months, 2 years, 3 years.